Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and today I have an unboxing per usual of a seasonal box from Simply Gilded. This is something new that the Simply Gilded company, Irene, has started and hopefully will continue. From what I understand, it's a trial run and I am super excited about the box. I think the contents are really pretty. They go with the June sub box. If you subscribe to her subscription box, the theme is similar and will kind of go together. But I love sub boxes. I love surprise boxes or just bundles. I just think they're really good value, and Irene from Simply Gilded and her company do a really good job of putting boxes together, and I really think you get a lot for the money. So if you are interested in seeing what's inside, please stick around. So as you can see, the box is pretty plain compared to what you normally see, and the reason for that is that it is reversible. So apparently she got a lot of requests to not have the box have any labeling or anything like that, so that I guess perhaps that you can store your goodies inside. So I'm looking forward to reversing the box and seeing what that looks like, and I will include that in this video. Okay, so to start with, you've got a sampler, and the theme I think is a beach theme or summer theme, and you've got your journaling card with this like tie-dye effect and silver, almost holographic foiling. Very pretty. And you've got some fun little confetti. Let's go ahead and take out the washi that I see here. I think we got 3 of them, so let me dig out that last one. Okay, this is so pretty, and I will swatch these for you in this video. So you've got some palm trees with purple foiling and like this purple to pink ombre effect. And then you got the little seagulls with a heart. And then this is a heart scalloped edge. And I think it has like that whole tie-dye effect. So we'll open those up in a bit and swatch those. Really cute. All right, and we'll just move the confetti aside. And we've got an album. So pretty. And this is the large album, and it's got silver hardware. I'll take that off. And the inside is this really pretty bright blue. Wow, that's gorgeous. A little bit fluff in there. So you've got your side loading pages. These are really good for Simply Gilded sticker kits and other kind of like I think it's like 7x9 sticker sheets. And so I believe that she has a photo size and small size album of the same design. I don't believe I picked up those designs. I will show you what albums I did pick up in my next order. But yeah, this is really pretty. I really love the tie-dye effect. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then you get a really pretty scrunchie with like a bow, and I believe she indicated that you could take the bow off and just use the scrunchie. I don't normally wear these, although I do have very long hair. I don't really wear it up often, but I do have 3 daughters, and I'm sure one of them will love to have this. Okay, and then you get a charm. And I am super pleased with the one that I received. Some of you may be aware that sometimes, you know, if there's a pattern, it depends on the cut of the ribbon, so the colors will vary. But this one appears to have a lot of the pink and yellowish peach colors, so really pretty. I love that. Okay, and then you get a pin, and it has silver hardware. It's got that tie-dye effect, and it says Simply Gilded here. No other designs at the bottom. Sometimes we see like some engraving or, you know, filigree or a heart or a bow. This doesn't have any. What I love about her pins is that you can snap the lid on the bottom, and I just feel that gives you, you know, more weight in your hand when you're writing. So gorgeous. All right, and let's see. So this one is a B6 journal. Let's open that up. That is a tight fit. Super cute. I love the palm trees and the sunglasses. Some of you may know that I am a die-hard Happy Planner fan, and this reminds me of the Squad Girls, like, you know, all of their fun little designs and stuff, and it I don't know, it just gives me Squad Girls vibes, like the summer spring collection designs that they have. So I think it would be a good match. So blank pages on the inside, and I don't usually use these as they are intended as a B6. What I do like to do is simply slice the side, put it into my Happy Planner punch, and this will literally fit in a mini Happy Planner. So you can just get your Happy Planner punch, align it between the two lines, and you could use this as a dashboard or a cover or something like that. And you could even punch the paper too. So that's a little tip for you. Same thing with these inserts. You've got some acetate with these super cute palm trees. Same thing. I literally would just slice it down the middle and punch it and put it in my Happy Planner. And you've got some vellum, tie-dye vellum. You can punch them, you could rip them, put them in a planner page. This one's really cute. It almost looks like a watermelon. So you could even, you know, draw in some little black seeds and do a fun little effect there if you wanted to. So pretty. Okay, and then last but not least in the box, and we'll go ahead and put this confetti to the side because I'm going to turn the box inside out. You've got a notepad. So it's a weekly notepad with silver foiling. I'm going to go ahead and just take this off. And a generous amount of sheets. And you've got your Monday through Sunday list with top goals, to-dos, and notes. Date here at the top. This is really cute. These are really good just for scrap papers. You can use it as a mouse pad, you know, if you are, you know, jotting down notes in a meeting, or you need to, you know, schedule some kind of meeting. You can take a quick note on here, notate the date. But I really like to use these as like a mouse pad, and just, you know, change them out for the season. This is a really beautiful aesthetic for spring and summer, so you could use it for a couple of months. All right, so let's go ahead and try to reverse the box. So I think gently pulling up the sides here and here. Just want to make sure I don't bend it too much. Open it up. Gilded. I think if you just follow along the lines here, I'm dropping washi all over the place. Probably fold up the sides, tuck this back in. Okay, that didn't stay. I think you want to make sure you get it into that little hole. I would recommend tape. Let me get some tape. So I'm just gonna tape up the side here a little bit. May not hold it completely. Yeah, that's not working very well. Okay. I think the intent is a good idea. However, I think folding it back in, it's not completely perfect. Not a good follow through, but we'll try to keep it sturdy. Just folding in. And there you go. You've got your summer box. So again, it arrives reversed, and then it will, with a little bit of finagling, you can reverse it and get a box with the beautiful summer on the front. So I don't know, maybe some people like to store their sub box items on a shelf or something like that, or you know, just display it on the shelf. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but it's definitely very, very pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and open that washi. Okay, so I've got the washi opened up. I'm going to go ahead and just swatch it here on the box. I'm not going to cut them. I think we'll just let them kind of sit as a roll. So there you go. You've got the beautiful ombre purple pink with the purple foil palm trees. It's so pretty. All right, and then the next one is the seagulls, and this one has that overlay, which I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see on camera, but it has kind of like a white overlay. It's kind of sparkly, but kind of not. Very subtle, but very pretty. I think those seagulls are so cute. All right, and then last but not least, and I'll do it here at the top, we've got the scalloped hearts. Very delicate, very pretty. I think it has that overlay as well that's, I don't know, it's kind of sparkly specks that are almost transparent. But yeah, I like the way it feels when you run your finger across it. But it goes from pink to kind of an orangish yellow, yellow green, green blue, purple, and then it goes into the blue and back into the green and yellow. So it's just like all of the colors in the tie-dye across the strip. And I do see like a little cut here, but I don't know if that's intentional. It might be. But anyways, that is the washi that came in this box. So I don't know if she has any available. I know that it was released to subscribers first. She did have enough to release to the public, and those went on sale on Wednesday, June 8th. So if you didn't pick one up, by all means, go see if she has any left. And I think that it was probably a big hit, and she'll come out with another one. So I'm looking forward to see what the next box will be, if it's going to be like a fall theme or a winter themed or something of that nature. But I'm sure I'm going to pick it up. This box was $40, a steal. You get 3 washis, you get some B6 covers, you get a B6 notebook, a pen, a cute little bow scrunchie. You've got the notepad, you've got the album, and a charm. So I mean, you have to agree, this is a steal for $40. Obviously you pay for shipping as well, but absolute deal. I love everything in here. I'll use everything in it, and again, can't wait till she releases the next box. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe so that you can watch more unboxings, because this addiction will not stop. I promise you that. And if you're on Instagram, be sure to give me a follow over there. Stacy_scraps_plans_crates. I like to share my planner spreads. Every once in a while, I've got a little craft or a tip or something of that nature. So thanks again. Talk to you soon.